Today I'm continuing the series, Ways in Which a Do-It-Yourself Estate Plan Can Go Wrong. So Rocket Lawyer, LegalZoom, probably other estate planning sites may give you access to forms. So that's form over substance. Forms are great. I use forms. I also use templates. I use documents that I myself have created or modified. The people in these companies would like you to believe that you can just type in a few words into a form and be done with it. It's partially true, and that's the problem, the partial nature of that truth. You might be okay with one or two of those documents. You might be okay if you don't have a situation go awry, right? If there's no trouble, maybe you're a-okay. The issue becomes what happens if you have a will and it's everything to this person, and then if that person passes away to someone else. First of all, does it have that type of paragraph? But then what if you live and die and there's no long illness or battle with an illness, perhaps that's an okay plan. The issue might be you have an incapacity, you have to fight terrible illness, be cancer or dementia, Alzheimer's disease or Parkinson's, or some other condition that might necessitate you needing a nursing home. Or have you planned properly? So really the partial nature of that truth that, you could be okay if everything goes according to Hoyle, right? If it goes a-okay, you will be okay. And if it doesn't, well, then you wouldn't be around to know. Or you might be able to understand in some fashion that plan you put in place was not fully effectuated. So that's one thing I want to convey. The one sentiment, the one idea is that this is not like using a tax return, like legal TurboTax or H&R Block and plug in the blanks. And even then, you may have been better off with an accountant. So that's something to think about. Any other note? I think that's really what I wanted to highlight. The issue of it's perhaps incomplete, that it doesn't address other possible contingencies, and that you will not be around to rectify the problem. Estate planning documents are only used to do a last will and testament upon your death. And then it's too late to correct documents, properly execute documents, go in another way, right? So if you'd like to speak about an estate plan in a less than do-it-yourself way, franknolaw.com.